The 2 Aviation fleet is part of our fleet of aircraft. As I said, we have the Blaze aerobatic team. The 727 you can see is operated by 2 under the partnership of T2 Aviation. Now, Oil Spill Response is a company that is set up, and the major shareholders of the company are oil companies such as BP. And the role of the 727 within that company is to provide the capability to burn movement and oil spilling over the water. So the 727 that you can see is going to be modified. It was chosen for its range, dash speed and stability during flight. Now, the concept of delivery is that this aircraft will fly at a very suitable pattern to actually break the oil down and disperse it so as not to cause as little environmental hazard as possible.
Yeah, because I'd be dead.
The sister aircraft of the one displaying here is G-OSRA, and that was actually the very last production B727 built in 1984. That one is currently undergoing modifications to accept a newly developed and advanced spray system. And we're hoping that will be ready later on this year. And that system is actually being designed and manufactured, fitted and tested by various 2 Aviation departments. British land painting in the RAF under the officer commanding for 51 Squadron during the final years of the new R1. He's since flown many aircraft types and has also worked for British Airways. Make sure you've got your camera ready. This is a nice slow turn now. The aircraft's going to come past us. And this is in landing configuration, just above landing speed. Make sure you get a good photo of this one, nice closer in the G-OSRB. All of their manoeuvres. Now, all of the blades are former Arrow pilots. They all do subject in the RAF.
Stuff like that,